This is Curtis. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically want to show you that you can talk to anyone. So what I do is I meet up with my subscribers, hang out for a day, talk to people, and film it to show you that anyone can do it. Enjoy.
Oh, sorry. I just want to say hi. Are you a hippie? Uh-oh. That's it.
Okay, I'm in Los Angeles, Santa Monica with Curtis.
So my name's Curtis. I'm 42. And I've had a background, a career in IT. By focusing on my career through my 20s and my 30s, I really got used to talking in a work capacity. But I've lost the time really to like go up and meet strangers and talk to, take that time to really sit down and get to know somebody new. I really feel like I'm interrupting somebody's day to stop them and say, hey, let's just hang out randomly for a moment. I've talked to my employees and my friends, and I've talked to them about doing this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Talk to Lisa.
Yeah.
Your employees are watching right now?
I hope not. But they're always shocked, because they feel like I'm the high energy person.
Because sometimes people are like, yeah, I told a few friends. Like, but you're like, yeah, I told my employees. Like, okay.
I tell everybody. That's really who I am. I'm like this talkative, oversharing person. Yeah, I've been married twice.
Okay.
Let's see, that's a total of...
Hello to the...
Yeah, no, I know. Hey, exes.
Maybe we'll find a third one tonight.
But that's like 25 years. So I do think that kind of like dulled my, like, me taking effort and meeting new people, because I'd always be rushing home or, work and then going back to home to be with them. So I think that did keep me from it. Online dating's been great.
Okay.
I think that's like the easiest way. But I really do want to conquer like this discomfort that I have, and not just for meeting women, but just if there's anybody I want to talk to feel comfortable talking to them.
Okay, good. Any last words before we start?
It's a great question. You always ask that one. I didn't think about it.
You want to redo it?
Yeah, let's redo it. I didn't think about it.
Okay. Any last words before we start?
Wish me luck.
Okay.
You have to jog to make it through the lights here. What are you out for today? Okay, sorry, you too.
Okay, Curtis. So first of all, that's good that you went for it. First interaction of the day.
Yeah, thank you.
So how did that go for you?
It was awkward. Okay. She tried to ignore me the first time.
Okay.
She didn't even look. She kept focused, and then I caught her attention. She looked at me, and I could tell she was uncomfortable. So I went, no, and she was like, no.
Interesting.
So
you want to make sure people are listening to you before saying anything of like substance.
Yeah.
Like hello, excuse me, and it's not about strategies. Like think about it. Like if you had a friend, like walking a bit ahead in front of you, and they didn't know you were there, you would probably, get their attention before saying something, right?
Yeah, that makes sense. Hey. Oh, sorry. I just want to say hi.
Oh, hello.
Caught you in the middle of a text?
Yeah.
I just thought you were pretty. I wanted to say hi.
Oh, thank you.
What are you doing today?
I'm just picking up a couple of things and stuff I ordered online for Christmas presents.
Fun. I haven't done any Christmas shopping yet. I'm going to fall behind.
Yeah, I tried to take advantage of all the sales when they came out. Counts always.
It does. You too. Take care.
The way you said hey, I could feel like some like hesitation.
Yeah.
I feel like you said hey in a way that was very, very very cautious. I think you wanna try to have a more genuine, childlike, like hi. Try to be warmer. We all have different personas, right? Like when you talk to your employees, when you talk to your family, when you talk to a stranger, when you talk, And so right now, you were a bit too much in the I'm talking to a stranger persona. If you talk to people like strangers, that's the reaction you're going to inspire from them, right? Because everything is real reflection, right? So, try to talk to people more warmer, more chill, more.
I've heard it said, like, you know, like I'm bringing value, right? Like I'm going to bring you excitement.
It's not about bringing value. It's just, I think, reconnect to the innocence of what you're doing, you know? Right now you're thinking in terms of, like, very, like, transactional terms, like, oh, you know, I'm bringing value, like, this is not an investment. Like, I don't know what that means, you know?
Yeah.
You know? So just, like, if you have your daughter, right? And she wants to talk to the kids at the park, are you going to be like, yo, you're bringing value? Like, no, you just want to play. Like,
yeah.
You know what I mean? It's not that serious.
Hey, sorry, got my attention. You a hippie?
Am I hippie today?
I got to get back to my friend. Would you like to get coffee or drink? Or?
Sure.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
I have no idea how to spell.
I will spell it for you.
Yeah.
First number of the day, just you didn't come for nothing.
I felt less stress.
Okay.
And it felt like, I really did try to, like, I try to feel warm like I knew her already.
That's cool. Okay, great.
I think, like you said, I felt like that was getting mirrored back to me.
I mean, yeah, like it's, that's all it is, really. Because sometimes, like, people, you know, they go talk to someone, like, I think, like, a sort of trap and a plateau where a lot of people that try this fall is, they get to the point where they have enough courage, let's say, to just, like, start those interactions. Then they start an interaction and they're like, oh, you know, whatever, this person didn't want to talk to me. And it's like, well, people's reaction to you are not pre-established. You know, if you come to someone and you scream at them, they're not going to want to talk to you. If you come to someone and say, hey, here's $100, they'll, you know, like, it depends it depends on you, right? So it's good that you were able to see the difference.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey, I'm sorry, you just caught my attention. Is that a Shiba Inu?
Yes.
Oh, I've been thinking about getting one for a while.
Oh my God, they're the best dogs.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I also thought you were cute too. What are these here?
Oh, I have birds for friends of mine that have passed away.
Oh, that's really nice. I just got my first. This is my first. I found I spent a lot of time. Yeah,
nice.
it's like big. It's astrology based too. I'm a little hardcore. I'm at 22 hours right now.
Well, actually, it's not that bad. I don't know. I thought it'd be longer. That's nice.
I've done it over 4 months now. So. How many do you have?
Birds?
No. Oh, tattoos generally. But. 3. 1, 2.
4.
Oh. That smirk. I was like, don't want to know where these are. Would you want to grab a coffee or a drink sometime?
Well, I have a boyfriend.
I don't care. I'm not the jealous type. No, I'm joking. I understand.
Yeah.
Well, it was really nice to meet you,
I know. It's
Kelly.
nice to meet you too.
Awesome. It was nice to meet you,
Nice
Kelly.
to meet
Take
you
care.
too.
Okay, Curtis. Look at this back rub. Selling the dream over here.
It was all right. I felt a little bit of her hesitancy. Like there was a little bit of withdrawal.
So a lot of people, like, when you go and talk to them, like, they're just not sure how to act, right?
Yeah.
And so then it's up to you. You know, if, like, you feel some hesitancy and all of a sudden you become very serious and cautious, then that's where people are going to go. If, like, you stay relaxed and you don't forget that, you know, everyone is just people and everyone's just trying to have a nice day, and, like, you joke with them, like, then, you know, the moment is going to go somewhere very different. When she said she had a girlfriend, boyfriend, what did you say? You also had a girlfriend. I honestly thought you were going to say something like, yeah, you know, me too, but we're this open. So yeah, so basically, so Curtis over here is in an open relationship. So hello to his girlfriend, and so yeah. So I thought you were going to say that.
I could. I've never tried. Yeah.
I was in my mind. I was like, oh, here it comes. He's going to say. I just want to ask you this question because you know, you have like a girlfriend, you go on a lot of dates with dating apps. So I just want to know, like, I guess, why is this important to you?
You know, I think online dating is its own thing, and I feel like I've figured out how to do that successfully, and I enjoy it. But there's still times where, like, I do feel like I'm holding back.
Let's see.
And I really feel, you know, whether it's about meeting somebody to date, or it's just like talking to somebody that looks interesting, or like, you know, it doesn't matter, man or woman or whatever. I still want to connect with people.
So this is not even like, so for you, like, it's not motivated by the desire to get laid or meet girls. It's more like you want to be more like free.
Yeah, I really want to feel like I'm authentically expressing myself. And I also think this, you know, feeling comfortable here, also like when you meet somebody on a date too, like being able to like instantly connect with them like a friend, like I think that also applies. And I just want to feel that comfort with strangers.
I see.
What do they sell here?
Oh, like skincare.
I was thirsty.
Oh,
Attention. I noticed your eyes. I was like, oh, this is beautiful. What's your name? Nice to meet you guys. Brian Curtis. Nice to meet you. I love these colors. These are amazing. It's glass.
Well, first of all, big props that you went. I mean, this was a group like what she was like with two guys.
I think it was 6 people total.
6 people.
Yeah.
Nice.
I felt pretty comfortable, but the husband thought I was with them.
Oh, I see.
So he introduced himself, and I hung in there a little bit longer,
Okay.
just to
Yeah.
be social. But then I just made my exit.
Okay, Curtis. So, how was today?
It was great. It was a really fun experience. I feel warmed up now. Now I'm ready. I think the big thing I'm taking away is a lot of kind of your philosophy of how to integrate this into your lifestyle and really how to make it part of how you relate to people. I think that was a really powerful message.
Yeah, because this is not an activity. This is not something that you should do like on the weekends. It's like if you never censor yourself, and on top of that on weekends you want to go out and meet people, like that's fine. But if you censor yourself all the time, and then on Sundays you're going to go to the park to meet people, then like that's not going to work out. Like, it has to become almost like who you are more than like what you do.
I feel far more comfortable expressing my intention. I think this is actually the best time out that I've ever been really honest about.
I see.
Like, you're cute, you're adorable, like I'm attracted to you, and feel comfortable expressing.
Usually you were not able to say that? Or?
I really hesitate, yeah.
Okay.
I'm afraid of making somebody uncomfortable.
I see.
And earlier you had told me that, you know, if I am uncomfortable, that they're going to feel that, right? And that, like, that's what makes things creepy.
Yeah.
If it's coming from an innocent or pure and authentic place, then it's not.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching?
Get out there, find a way to integrate it into your life and learn to talk to people.
Yeah, like I feel like today it's basically, I feel like we're like in the first 40%.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, so let's try to do something this week. And I don't know, like today we walked around for quite a while, but it's dark so early now, and it's LA, so we walked around for like a long time. So we're gonna try to meet again this week and finish it. It was a good start, but I felt the job wasn't done, and on top of that we had some audio issues. So get ready for part 2.
How long are you guys in town for?
take that.
Oh my God, you're tripping me out.
Thank you.
I respect the confidence.
Thank you. Have a nice day.